everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1963 Chevrolet Impala. Very cool car, guys. This is a original 409 car with the paperwork. I love this little car, man. Wicked cool color combination. The car was actually a two-tone blue. The bottom color here, the Monaco blue metallic, is actually the factory color. It was original, getting hit by a flag here. The original color, the top was a silver blue, and they changed it to an Ermine white. But great car, very original car. One repaint. And that was done 20 years ago. 67,000 original miles. Supposedly all the interior's correct. Almost all the trim they said's correct. Ton of paperwork for the car. It was an original Tennessee car. Spent most of its life there. Neat car. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with the factory color keyed steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. That car's just a wicked cool car. Drives great. They've added vintage AC, but the running gear's original. Factory automatic car. And again, most of this stuff is actually original. All this trim, all this stuff is correct for the car. Even that front bumper, look how nice that front bumper is. It's supposed to be original. I would say this is a car that lived a very easy life. And again, the paint on this car has been on it for some time, and it, other than a few minor blemishes, this car is just slick. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, look how nice this stuff. This stuff's all original. Front windshield was changed. It was a factory tinted front windshield. The rest of the glass is original. I like the white top. I like that change. I don't know if I'd like that blue. It's like a silvery blue is original color. You can see the hat rack in the back's got a little, warp to it, but again, that's original. And we can get that new if you wanted us to. I left it alone because I like that it's original. See how clean the body seams are. Factory AM radio still works. Love this blue on this car. It's really cool. I guess, guys, this stuff's all original. It said the sockets are acting up a little bit. We're going to check on those. They're just not fitting into the bezels there real nice. So we'll check on them. They keep coming loose, so we'll check on it. Again, it's supposed to be all the original body panels. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. And this car just looks like it belongs on Woodward Avenue. Those are original bumperettes on the rear. What a cool car. And it drives great. Air blows cold. I like the steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Let's just some of the splashes of us driving it, guys. Look how nice that trim is. Again, we have the original window sticker for this car. Factory 409, 340 horsepower. It's supposed to be the correct motor, and it's got the right connotations on it. They've upgraded. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, but you can see it's still got the glass fuel filter on it. Factory chrome air cleaner and valve covers. They've added the AC. Factory power steering and power brakes. Factory intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got all the GM clamps and hoses on it. Original powerglide automatic. Very cool car. You can tell that it's the original caps, they're not repops. Look how nice this stuff is. Really good car. Really, the only thing we did to it, I sent it down to Mitch down here, a muffler guy, and he did a beautiful job. These X-Rings are a pain in the butt, but he just put all brand new exhaust on it, and it looks great. Did a beautiful job. And these door handles, all this stuff's original. Look how nice it is. Door seams are clean. Factory interior. Guy said this stuff is original. You see it's got the original mat, original carpet still in it. Look how nice this stuff is. This stuff normally just takes a beating. That's what I'm saying. Somebody has loved this car. I mean, look how nice that stuff is. Dome lights work. I think there's a little crack there, but my steering wheel's in really nice shape. I don't know if you can see it. 67,298. Stuff's all original. Again, AM radio works. They've upgraded the AC. It's got the vintage stuff in there now. Factory rubber floor mat. Again, it does have brand new dual exhaust. Mitch did a great job with that. Factory rear axle. Looks like all the floors and everything are original. I think this stuff in here is the original paint for this car. See it? Factory Goodyear bias-ply spare in here. Again, this is really cool right here. Original Tennessee car, original bill of sales in there, the application for titles in there, original owner's manuals in there, even the old 409 Beach Boys 45 record. Again, it's all spackle coated like it should be. This is just some articles he put in there, the old 409 stock cars. Great car, man. Everything opens and closes really nice. As always, there's going to be more photos underneath the cars on our website. We are encouraging people like crazy to not just email, but call 248-620-3355 when you think you're looking at a Southern Motors car. A lot of scamming going on right now. These are original sill plates. I mean, this car is just killer. How nice the seats are. Dash is nice. All your lights work. Air blows, air kicking on. Everything fits up real nice. Car just rolls out, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Not much up there but a fuel gauge. Again, you can see everything fits up real nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to, I don't know if you're gonna see these back here because the sun's in them, but they're working. Other than there's your turn signal, brake lights all work. Oh shoot, sorry. I didn't mean to shut that. Getting ahead of myself. Radio does work. Station blower motor works. Is that clock working? It might be working. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to get in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Bunch of new cars coming, guys. Make sure you're checking us out. Have a great day, guys.